In this video, we're going to look at how you can use Grammarly entirely for free. They recently added their new AI assistant with insane features, and in this video, we are going to look at all you can do using Grammarly. With Grammarly, you can write articles, compose an email, enhance your text, rewrite your text, and also make it look more engaging, and best of all, you can also do all of these on your phone. Let's check this out. To get Grammarly for free, just click the link below this video. And then select Sign Up, it's free. Sign up using any of your details here. Simply fill in these details to guide Grammarly on what you're using it for. You can always skip if you don't want Grammarly's personalization. Once you finish signing up, you'll be prompted to install Grammarly on your PC and in your web browser. Right down below, you also get to see all the platforms you can use Grammarly on. If you ever need to get back to the install screen, simply head over to the apps section on the left-hand side, and you can install Grammarly anywhere. Now that I've installed Grammarly, I can use it anywhere I work. Here, for example, I'm on Google Docs, and I want to compose a portfolio message to one of my clients, telling him about why I should be the one hired for the job, but I am having trouble getting started. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, I have this Grammarly overlay. Let's see if I can use Grammarly to do the work. I'll click on this icon. And this opens up the Grammarly AI assistant. In the prompt bar here, I'll simply tell Grammarly what I want it to create for me. I'll type in, I am to write a portfolio to my client for the post of a digital marketer. He works for a very big company, and they just released a vacancy for the job. Can you write a portfolio to amuse the client for me? Now let's see what Grammarly can do with this simple prompt. Right here, it gives us a beautifully written message. I think all of this sounds really nice. Down below, I'll click on Insert. And this now inserts it directly into my Google Docs workspace. Over here, I'll close out of the Grammarly overlay. Now I can go in and make a few adjustments and modifications, and I should be good to go. This will help me save so much time. Here I am now on my Gmail and my web browser. And I just received an email from a very upset client stating that he hasn't received his project based on the estimated time and date. Now I think I have to reply to this as soon as possible, starting with why his project is being delayed. Right here, I'll click on the reply button. And right here in the reply area, I have the option to reply quickly from Grammarly. I'll click on that. And over here, it tells me the sender's intent. The sender expresses frustration and demands an explanation for his late project. He sounds angry. That's really helpful to know. It basically summarizes the whole mail for me. Now right down below, it gives me some ideas for different types of responses. Right over here, I can apologize and offer an explanation. I could promise them I am still working on the project. Right up on top, let's click on Apologize and offer an explanation. And here Grammarly is working on a response. Here it looks like it starts out with an apology. That seems like a really reasonable response. Down below, I'll click on Insert, and this now inserts it into the email message. And just like before, I could go through, make a few modifications before sending. For example, I can state the reason for the delay here and then send it to the customer, and hopefully, that results in a happy client experience. Now I'm on Google Notes on my Android phone, and I have installed Grammarly as my keyboard. Now I still get to use Grammarly on my Android phone. How cool is that? Now I am going to create a new title and then input a message. Here I've just written down a quick reminder so as to finish up my pending projects and avoid pissing my clients off again. With Grammarly Keyboard, I also get suggestions with my texts, and I can just select them to add them to my writing. I've also made a mistake when typing my words. Right down below, you can see Grammarly comes up with the correct suggestions, and I can just select it to insert the correct one and then continue typing. This saves me lots of time to reread my texts and gives me more time to finish my projects. With Grammarly, I can also improve my texts right from the keyboard. I'll select all of my texts here, and I'll select the Grammarly overlay here which says Improve It. Here I can choose how I want Grammarly to improve my texts. I just want to make the reminder formal for me, so I'll select Improve It, and Grammarly has come up with a better and formal text. I think this will serve as a simple and demanding reminder for me, so I'll select Insert, and then I can pin my reminder and get back to my work. With a free account, you'll notice this number that says 100 prompts. You can interact or prompt the AI 100 times every single month. Every month, you get another 100. If you need more than that, though, you'll need a premium account. With a premium account, you get 10 times the number of AI prompts with 1,000 every single month. Along with more AI credits, and also additional AI features and even plagiarism detection. That's how you can start improving your writing for free with Grammarly. And again, it doesn't cost anything at all. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.